शरीफी یو ځل بیا شاټ او مډ وکټ په طرف باندې د مینوالو په منځ کې وسیم اکرم ډېر ښه مډل کېږي دا ځل سټین اینڈ ډیلیور پاور هیټر وسیم اکرم دوام توپ باندې دلته ښه راغلاس وایي ضیا شریفي ته په شپږیزي سره بیا مخامخ لوبونه ده یو دوه درې ټپکو وروسته د لانګ آن باونډرۍ څخه بهر سلوریزه
یو څه آرام هم دی محمد اکرم هم لومړی اوور دا ځل وروسته پیچ کړی دی اسان او فاین لیګ کې فیلډر دننه په سرکل کې او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره سپین دی دا ځل بیا هم لیګ سټمپ ته اسانه دی بالکل ویکټ کیپر هم دا ځل بیټ دی او پنځه منډې خو مجیب وایي چې وایډ نه دی
شاته بولنه هم دی ډېر ښه کوي یارکر هم ډېر ښه کوي آؤٹ ساړې جو سلوریزه خوشبخته دی وسیم اکرم که هر رقم دی رنزونه راځي د ټیم پوسټ ډیفینډر لپاره
هغه نه په پیل کې بریک تھرو دا ځل یو څه پیس سره شاته هم پیچ کړی دی خالي ګاه کې او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره په زړه پورې پیل
سم سره یا په آف سټم باندې دغلته بیا هغه رقم نه خو یو ځل بیا هم بریالی دی اوور د فیلډر او په لانګ اف باندې بله سلوریزه درې توپونه درې
That'll be a wide and four. Poor work from Afsar Zazai, but I really doubt if he could do much about it. It was quick, fired down the leg, 52 without loss. And this will run down to the boundary for four. So this has got a good, beautiful shot down to the boundary for four. And that brings the 50 for the Boost defenders. 51 without loss after five.
Now, when it comes to the length, it was perfect. Almost a Yorker. Wasim Akram, he brought the bat down in time.
نیمه سیلیزه هم ترلاسه کړي په دغه مهمه لوبه کې د ځوان لوبغاړي په توګه د دغه لوبېدل ډېر په زړه پورې دي په روانه لوبه کې او ورسره په خوا کې ملګرتیا د ستایلو وړ ده ډېره بهترینه ملګرتیا شوې ده دواړو ترمنځ پکار ده چې دغلته یوه وکټ ترلاسه کړو که وکټ ترلاسه کوو موږ لپاره به ښایي او دلته بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره بهترینه شاټ ښکلی شاټ و دا ځل په سمه توګه باندې دغه بال تعقیب کړ د بیټ لاندې راوسته انتخابیږي سلو توپ اچوونکی شاټ هڅه کېږي سټمپ آوټ آفیل او دلته آوټ په دې سره محمد اکرم خپله وکټ په سټمپ آوټ له لاسه ورکړه
ستاسو ذهن ته راځي د محمد شهزاد محمدي چې په نړیواله کچه باندې د افغانستان استازولي کړې ده دلته هم په لومړي حالت کې ولیدل چې که سټمپ تر سره کوم ممکن د په کریز کې وي خو چې ویلي د شپږیزې د لسم پړاو به غوره لوبغاړی دلته د سلاګ هڅه یو اسانه کیچ او ډېر په زړه پورې انداز سره د وفي الله ترخیل له لوري دغه ډول کیچ ضیا شریفي ته تللی و خو هغه پکې ناکام او وفي الله ترخیل
smacked away flag six Kareem Jannat
doesn't he pick length early Kareem Jannat and he was crouching a little bit as well almost sprung up and posted brilliantly
catch it Morkal
this should be taken
yeah
and absolutely no mistake made I told you so are the words from the bowler
captain summoning up his best bowler magician Mujib with the purpose of taking wicket and the purpose has been served lovely stroke elegant stroke from Najibullah
swung away massive magnificent outstanding hit from Najibullah
well the victory is within striking distance for the team Boost defenders
Najibullah Zadrans decided to explore different parts of Kabul This courier is beyond mid-wicket. That's a good...
Mujib is pleading with the umpire. Late decision. Noor is gone. Mujib is delighted.
Yeah, well, this is off the pads, will run down to the boundary. What was working already for Farman, he just changed it and has paid the price. Najibullah.
So calm, peaceful, magnificent shot to finish up the 17th over. The Yorker going wrong, and Najibullah Zadran is very strong through the offside. He creams it through extra cover to finish the 17th over. 131 for 4.
Much needed boundary, and it'll bring down the equation of the required runs under 50, 47 only now required. But just look at that shot. It's against Tariq Stanigzai. He tries to scoop this and doesn't middle it. He wants to run, fumble out in the middle, a direct hit, and they think they have their man.
Looking at the body language of the fielding side, also at the same time at the batsman, this looks promising for the Knights. And most of the time, direct hits and the batter, Tariq, can keep walking. That was a magnificent piece of fielding. As they say, fielding win matches. And that's what Knights have done with Tariq, the batter, being dismissed through a run out.
It is absolutely Mujib's day. First with the ball in hand, gave away only 14 runs, and then out in the field, OUT sends back Tariq Stanigzai. That Najib plays this, it's high in the air, and the fielder takes a splendid catch. That's a blinder, and that's the wicket that they were after.
Unlucky Najibullah Zadran. Any other day, he's very strong through the offside, would have easily taking nothing away from the Knights side, who has been excellent. Long off in place, and it goes over the top. Spagiza to end the 18th over.
Bilal Tareen gets one in the arc, and he says, wait a second, I still think we got something in this game. I told you Bilal Tareen is a good timer of the ball. I thought he usually takes his time. That's a beautifully hit shot. A wonderful timing onto it. Well placed for a maximum. 139 for 6. Farmanullah will continue. Penultimate over. And Abdur Rahman connects and connects huge. This is a maximum to start with. Is that a twist in the tail? Is this not yet over?
Probably not. Abdur Rahman, the fast bowling all-rounder, thinks otherwise. That's a lovely golf swing. Going for the Yorker, Bilal missed the length. Fast ball to fast bowler at the moment. The batter winning the gear.
I actually want to go myself and see that. Bilal Sameh bowling the last over. First one. Bilal Tareen shuffles across and plays
On Yorker, pace on. Shot outside the yaw stump. Third man, cow point in the circle. Becomes a freebie and goes to the boundary.
He's just gotta have to bowl the last ball. 19 required is out of equation. Bilal Tareen plays this high in the air. For a fielding practice, that's not bad. And it's safely taken. So Bilal Sameh finally takes a wicket. Well-deserved wicket. He's bowled really well today. He was unfortunate a couple occasions, but he finishes with a wicket. 1 for 35 is 4 overs.
It's the upshot of the game as well. Miss A Ainak Knights winning the toss, saying will